Hello everyone, this is Quentin Chovy. I'm the sales director of Spectrums Europe, and today I'll be introducing you the exciting new perspectives for the cosmetic industry for a new product, CBD. So first, let's start with a brief introduction. So new studies reveal the presence and importance of the endocannabinoid system in the skin. The hemp plant is known as one of the most ancient plants across world cultures and traditions. CBD, which is a THC-free and non-psychoactive compound of that plant, is now being documented for its protective, soothing, and regenerative properties. So that will be the summary today, and we'll start with what is CBD and how does it work. Brief introduction. So CBD is commonly known as cannabidiol. It is one of the 110 phytocannabinoids of the hemp plant. In that hemp plant, the most known phytocannabinoids are CBD and THC, which is a psychotrope one, and that can be illegal above certain limits in Europe. In order to be compliant, the CBD must come from the Cannabis sativa L plant, registered with the EU and containing less than 0.2% of THC in that plant, according to the current legislation. So let's now talk about the ECS system, the endocannabinoid system. It is a set of cellular receptors and molecules located in our body. In our body, we have cannabinoid receptors, which are proteins that receive chemical signals from outside the cell. The main receptors are CB1, CB2, and the TR receptor, which are all located in the brain, the gut, and nervous system, and also interacted, of course, with the skin. The endocannabinoids that binds to these receptors are molecules produced by the body and that bind to the endocannabinoid receptors. The phytocannabinoids, like CBD, also interact with this system and with the same receptors. We can say that the ECS is said to be at the origin of homeostasis, which is the regulatory process that allows the body to maintain normal functioning. Let's now do a spotlight on regulatory. So the EC regulation 1223 from 2009 says that narcotics are forbidden in cosmetics products, as defined in the Single Convention on Narcotic Drugs of New York in 1961. In that sense, compliance means that cannabidiol can only come from stems, stalks, leaves and seeds of the plant, excluding the fruiting tops, or it can also be synthetic. We have for CBD an INCI which is defined, but we also have in the world, and of course in Europe, some particular cases. In France, for instance, CBD can only come from stems, stalks, and seeds of the plants, with a plant which would be below 0.2% of CBD, without any THC in the finished product. In Japan, that is almost the same, but it needs to come from the mature plant. And in China, only leaves are allowed in the part of the plant. So now I'm going to tell you why Spectrums Europe can be your trusted suppliers for CBD products. So Spectrums Europe is a bulk raw ingredients manufacturer and distributor. We have 50,000 square feet greenhouse for seeding development in the United States. We grew in 2019 600 acres of industrial hemp, and we have a potential of 2,000 acres in the year 2021. We have a 40,000 square feet facility in which we have different means of extraction, CO2 and ethanol, with a potential of 200 kilos a day of CBD isolate and 150 kilo a day of broad spectrum hemp extract. These are the different products we do, the main one for cosmetics. On the left, you'll find the CBD isolate powder and the CBG isolate powder, which are more pure at more than 99%, liposoluble and guaranteed below 0.0% of THC. On the right, you'll find a broad spectrum hemp extract, which is 85% CBD, below 0.0% of THC, and liposoluble as well. So here are core values and certification. At first, we are transparent. From our fields to your door, we control the logistic flows. We also bring you conformity for our raw ingredients. Since all industries are different, we aim at bringing conformity as far as we can, and that comes with the same for the certifications. We are GMP certified, and for cosmetics, we also bring you Cosmos approved from HACosmed, as well as the ISO 16128 regarding naturality. Next one is quality. Of course, all our products undergo strict testing in the USA and in France. And the last one, but not the least, being integrity. In our hemp and CBD industry, build trust and remain true is the key. By way of conclusion, we must seek compliance, which is a key. You must choose a supplier that can guide you with regulation globally. Choose a trusted source with experience, a source which will be transparent and bringing you quality, which are important. You need a 0.0% THC raw ingredient that will come with COAs from the purity of CBD, but also pesticides, heavy metals, and microbiology from a certified third-party laboratory. You should avoid brokers or untransparent sources, avoid synthetic products, avoid non-certified products, and avoid non-insured products. Thank you for listening to us today. You can reach out to us on our website or on the contact below. Thank you very much and have a great day.